Make quick work of finish jobs with the Craftsman 16-gauge straight finish nailer. Oil-free motor for long life and ease of use, and powerful enough to drive large finish nails up to 2.5 inches. The tool-free jam release mechanism minimizes downtime, and the depth of drive adjustment makes it easy to set nail heads. A carrying case is included. Trust the Craftsman 16-gauge straight finish nailer for your finish needs. Craftsman, we build pride. When it comes to finish work, the Craftsman V20 20V Max 18-gauge nailer kit was built to perform. This 100% cordless nailer eliminates the need for compressors, hoses, and fuel cartridges. This nailer has extensive runtime, firing over 400 nails on a single charge. The easy-to-use depth adjust dial provides consistent results. Easily remove jam nails with the tool-free design, and if you need to work in low light conditions, dual LEDs have you covered. Plus, a contoured overmolded handle and included belt hook provide comfort and convenience. Give every job 100% with quality tools like the V20 20V Max 18-gauge brad nailer kit, part of the Craftsman V.
For over 100 years, Porter Cable has provided and serviced quality power tools for the professional woodworker and tradesman. Tools engineered to deliver high-quality, professional results at a great value. We continue this legacy with the introduction of the newest addition to the Porter Cable 20V Max system of tools, the 18-gauge straight brad nailer. Operating on the 20V Max 4.0 amp-hour battery means more nails per charge. The flywheel mechanism provides power and consistency, while tool-free settings allow quick adjustments and simplified troubleshooting. Along with multifunctional LED lights, a range of other convenient features make jobs easier. The lightest in their class, the lightweight design, handle ergonomics, and a balanced center of gravity provide comfort during extended use. Eliminate the need for big, noisy compressors, hoses, or costly fuel cartridges. This translates into less setup and breakdown time, and effortless maneuvering on the job. No hose, no compressor, no gas. The Porter Cable 20V Max finishing tools. The power you need at the price you want.
Want a workshop that's portable? Then get the new Rockwell Blade Runner X2. The go anywhere, cut anything compact table saw. With breakthrough features like lightning-fast blade changes and mess-free cuts, Blade Runner's always ready to slice your work time. The affordable workshop for everyone and everywhere. Get yours today.